Good day, everyone. My name is Laika Jane C. Kiming, BSHM from Block 2. Let's create a short and fast tutorial about creating a Microsoft Word document. First, click the Word app. Since we're still on the recent work, just press the Ctrl+N to create a new blank document. Okay, click the blank document. Okay, let's start with the name. If you want to bold the name you're going to type, just click the Ctrl+B and lagay mo na yung name mo. Okay. Next, if you want to paste or something that's currently copied to your clipboard, just press the Ctrl+V. Yan. Ctrl+V. Just press the Ctrl+V. If gusto mong mapunta yung work mo sa center, just press the Ctrl+E. Yan, dyan na siya sa gitna. If gusto mo naman sa left, just press the Ctrl+Left. Oh, yun, left. Sa right naman, just press the Ctrl+R. Dyan. If gusto mo balik sa gitna, just press the Ctrl+E. Ctrl+E. Yan. Now, I'm going to list my hobbies. Okay. Balik natin sa left side, Ctrl+Left. Hobbies. Hobbies. If gusto mong i-italize or underline yung hobbies mo, just lagay mo lang yung Ctrl+I, yun. Then Ctrl+U. If gusto mo naman lagyan siya ng bullets or number, sa bullets, lagyan mo siya ng just press the Alt+H+U to create a bullets. Yan, bullets. Yan. Tapos, pag number naman, just press the Alt+H+N pag number. Yan. Lagay ko dyan, watching K-drama. Next, cooking, and etc. If you want to put or insert a picture naman, just press the Alt+N+P. Then, yun, insert pictures. Tapos sa photos, yan. Yan. Yan yung photos. Ganyan. Oh, that's it. Cut keys that I use. First, the Ctrl+N to create a new blank document. Second is the Ctrl+B, bold. Then Ctrl+V to paste. Ctrl+E, center alignment. I use the Ctrl+L and Ctrl plus R to left and right alignment. I use also the Alt plus H plus U to bullet the habits I write it, and I use the Ctrl plus U to underline. I use a Alt plus H plus N to number. I use the Ctrl plus I to italize or slanting the words. Then I use the Alt plus N plus P to insert a picture. Then I hope you understand, guys, what I'm saying, and bye bye.